today is definitely churro waffle. Somewhere waiting for me. These are my delicious churro waffles. Last day, Castaway Cay. Out of breath because I walked upstairs. Looks quite pleasant. And guess what? We have the surprise, which I was already alluded to. But, ooh, window cleaner. It's Churro Waffle Friday.
That's on the wrong show.
Churro Waffle Friday. Let's go get breakfast. Let's see how crazy Marceline Market is today.
Chocolate chip pancake.
Chocolate chip pancake.
Two of them? Use one. Morning.
Yeah.
The strawberry, please.
Strawberry, thank you.
Two chocolate chip
Very good, you only wanted two. I thought it would be t-shirt weather. It's chilly. Definitely need a jumper. Need to go back down to the room and get a jumper. But first we need to devour the churro Mickey waffles. Good. They named it twice. They didn't. But I had another one. I'm having another one. Oh my god. They're just amazing. And JP's got his ham congee.
Congee.
Congee. It's just started to rain. It's freezing. We're gonna get a jumper on, but look at this. The star of the show today is definitely churro waffle. Oh yeah. Beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me. These are my delicious churro waffles. Nom, 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 nom. It's raining, change of plan, jumpers, still going for a walk, still going to do 5k, walking the 5k, and we're still going to head over, but I'm going to change to my phone and do some vlogging, so there might be a little degradation, a little quality issue, but hopefully not. I don't want to take out this setup. Look. In the rain, so yeah, we're gonna swap over to the mobile phone,
Backup rig,
and go and have some fun. So you can pick up your little water bottles, cases, keep them cool. And they're like $30. Got a bit of building works going on. One day we may be on here in our lifetime, maybe not. Waiting to go off on their excursion, so no excursions cancelled today. And greets while you're over here, and also you get these awesome sand buggies.
yeah, instead.
No. That's a high tide today.
Oh, someone out swimming there.
Where?
It says no swimming.
Oh yeah. I like to say that my ice cream my ice cream serving skills have got a lot better over the year. Look at the size of this whopper. I mean, if it's there, you've got to be eating it, and tag me in any that you do. The food options here are just awesome. They always taste fresh and delicious. And JP doing one now. That is us done here.
And now?
We might come back out again. No, might come back out again later. 5K down.
It's all aboard for 4 o'clock today, though.
Had a little sit down. Plan the future. And now back. Get some pizza. See what films on the telly. I think Moana. I'm gonna go chill some more. Took us all of 6 minutes to down those drinks. Very disappointing though, no snacks and no bubbles. Very naughty Disney, you're letting your standards drop.
It's the round game, let's do this. We're starting off in the O column, and it's 71. If you got it, say got it. Is that bingo?
Let's get some B-roll. I always see vloggers do this little walk and stuff. It looks so good. Not us. Let's keep it basic.
Bucket that's been cleaning in front of you, kind of doing this.
Let's keep it real, right, guys? We ain't those vloggers. Right, we're going to Cove. We're going to Cove to get our last coffee because it's so yummy. Lovely and quiet around here. Bye bye, Castaway Cay. Until next time. It's lovely and there's no music. It's perfect.
Not getting copyright.
Just pure quiet. There's some weird ones in here. Yeah. We got Kpjpflorida. Very Scottish. Yeah, nice though. Good concentration.
Well, we've been here. We got
For sure, I'm a one and done girl.
Yeah, me too.
unreserved seats.
100.
And that you please fill in
We've been going around collecting straws.
Thank you.
Not just
and
any
enjoy the show.
They're the edible straws.
That Disney does. Don't ask us why.
Because we didn't eat them when we got our drinks. And
Yeah, Marvel dinner after this.
should we check the Marvel dinner recipe thing?
Every single team member, not just one representative. If your team wants the point, we need everyone. If you want to be in it for 2 points, you need to put yourself in size order with every team. Every team. This is training for the lifeboat. Every team. Every team. The entire room. The entire room. This is for 2 points. This is the largest group that's ever attempted this. And you all are also done it the fastest. joking. This is your claim to fame. This is incredible. Can you give each other a round of applause?
I want you to bring Brian your team number and your entire team in a pan of sizzling bacon right here in front of them on stage.
Careful with the bacon. 2, 3, 5, 9, 8, 19.
A clear winner today. So, by 6 points, we have a team in the lead. And that team is, everyone drum roll please. There's 3!
That's from? They're from Orlando and Philadelphia.
Yes, exactly. Let us give it a shot. All right. Here we go. And now, the story of Frozen in 1 minute.
This is the Barbers. Hook's Barbery. Oh, it smells awesome. It smells of whiskey and bourbon and Burbium. 707, remember?
Okay, the phone number. Yes, go ahead. Go to the
I think for tonight I'm going to go for a couple of... Oh, camera's gone wonky. Sorry. A couple of appetizers. I'm not going to go for main meal, I'm going to do a couple of appetizers. Which is what you can do as well. JP's going for the whole menu. So you'll be able to see exactly what everything looks like. And we're in Marvel. And we're in a seat that we were at last time we were on the Wish. 707, the seat. So we must have been at 707 last
Not
time.
originally. Originally we're down there with the French Canadians.
Yeah. We've got a great screen right here.
Do you know him? Yes.
Oh, it is lovely and warm. This dip's quite nice as well. Oh, look at the side inside of your room.
Should we show you the inside of my room, do you?
Beaming in here though, like with the plates and everything. What's this called?
That is a
Yeah, particle accelerator.
particle accelerator, something like that.
This isn't. I watch lots of people on YouTube. They don't like this restaurant.
Okay. Really? Whatever, we figure that out. Shoot.
That's cute.
Thank you.
Yeah. So these were the bao buns. The buns. So they've got what inside? And then what was this?
That's marinated, sorry, that's mushrooms. That's lime shrimp.
Mushroom and the sauce is delicious. If you like a chicken mushroom type of soup, delicious.
Anyway, I want to shrink this suitcase and the swan to make it easier to take home.
Well, making it smaller would make it better.
Pretty sweet, right?
Ooh, stop.
So schnitzel, chicken schnitzel. Time is super quick, and we could be in and out within half an hour. So we need to slow down. Yeah, the show is still continuing. It's been quite quiet, they said, so we've said that a few times on these videos. And the table beside us are very easy. They've got pre-prepared food, pre-packed food. So yeah, it's quite quick. So we're going to slow it down so we can watch the show and enjoy ourselves.
At ease. I mean, take it easy. But what did I say about the boat captain jokes?
I should make them at every chance I get.
Just stay sharp and watch.
Oh my god!
Oh, what? What is it?
I want to fly sick. Like good sick, not like seasick kind of sick.
Captain America, Miss Marvel, and Captain Marvel saved the ship.
Yes, I think we should.
Ultimate Avengers Dream Team. You can always help Miss Marvel.
Hi, camera. Very nice to see you. Come see me soon. Whoever this is. Hi, guys.
Very, very good. Restaurant quality, decent food, served by very nice people. And you're going for this. Why this?
Yeah? And?
Why have you gone for pepperoni pizza?
Food? Pizza!
Pizza's not
Anyway,
food.
I hope
Pizza's a way of life.
Hope you've enjoyed this series of us on the Wish in January 2025, experiencing the freezing cold,
It's not been
empty cruise ship in comparison
It's been a low weight cruise ship. I think somebody said it was like 8 tenths full or something silly like that.
So it's been amazing. So thanks for watching. Catch you on our next adventures. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, notification.